What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I am out here in Virginia visiting one of my clients' homes, and I'm going to do a full walkthrough video on this theater room right here. So you got to subscribe to the YouTube channel. We'll even do some demos as well as visit many other clients' homes in the area. But today, this particular video is about the RS2000 from JVC and doing an alignment. I came into the home and I saw the customer's projectors doing this number, you know, straight down at the screen. And I've made other videos on doing alignment, and this is a little bit different than those other videos. So basically, I'm just trying to help everybody out that's DIYing it with giving you some recommendations on how to do it properly so you're not having to use that Keystone adjustment and warp your image. He did an amazing job. It's fully dialed in right here, and it looks good. But because the image is coming out like this at an angle, he's warping. He's not getting the maximum image resolution down here in these corners because of the Keystone adjustment. So what we're going to do today is fix that. Right after the intro. If you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so this is what I was talking about in the intro. See how the projector is firing down? Nothing wrong with this. It actually, the customer did an excellent job. It is fully dialed in, but he had to use the Keystone adjustment to make it square. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to remove the Keystone and still get a square image. So what we're going to do is get out of here. We're in the lens right now. And I'm going to go to menu. Menu, if it'll go. All right, menu, and you see how that Keystone's racked way over at -10? Right here, guys. We're going to go ahead and zero that out. I always recommend just leaving your Keystone at 0. Now, there are certain circumstances where you just have to use a Keystone. Like say if this projector, right, the screen height is only about a foot from the top of the wall or the ceiling, and the projector is hanging down like 6 inches from there, so his projector is actually lined up perfect to fire and not use the Keystone at all. But say in a circumstance where this screen was, you know, 5 feet lower, or the ceilings were like really high, and the projector's, you know, 5 feet above the screen or 4 feet above the screen, to where the lens shift won't allow it to shift into place, that's when you have to use the Keystone. But you want to avoid it if possible. And I just see this so much in so many of y'all's homes that I figured this would be a great opportunity to point out this exact situation and show you the solution to fix it. So what we're going to do, we got the ladder out, is we're going to start with leveling that projector out. So I'm going to grab a level and I'm going to go up there and straighten it out, which is going to throw the image onto the ceiling, which is okay. All right, the client is running to grab a level for me right now. Out here in Virginia, don't have any tools with me, but what we're going to do is start by leveling this bad boy out. Now, you hear that clicking, guys? This is the Strong Fine Adjust projector mount. You've seen this if you follow the channel on tons of my videos. Doing that was just a breeze, no tools. There's little knobs here on the back, I'll show you in a second, where you can just quickly and easily adjust it. And we're just gonna level it out. And the micro adjustment, being able to just move it in tiny little increments like that, it's amazing. It's awesome. Because if not, a lot of these other mounts, like I was at a client's home earlier and I had to help him out with an adjustment, and it's taking a screwdriver, tightening it, trying to hold it in place, and then it ends up, it's not quite as nice as this. Let's just say that. Okay, so now it's level with Earth. And the image is firing onto the ceiling. So that's not good, right? We're gonna go to lens control and hit it twice to go to shift, and we're gonna shift that image right down into place. Now, if you've watched some of my other videos on how to do alignment, you'll know that we always want to start with leveling the projector at the top of the screen. So right now, it's not level. So I'm going to get back up on the ladder, and with this fine adjustment, I'm going to level that out. And I'll show you the knobs I'm talking about this time. Horizontal roll, see how it literally has all the different directions you can turn it, and you just rotate the knob. So easy. Just like that. All right, so we're moving along. Next step, we're gonna need to zoom it in a little bit. So right now it still looks a little bit like it's tapering upward. So I'm gonna double check my level right now and just make sure I got that right. Oh, it's still leaning down a little bit. That makes sense. All right. I was looking at the wrong bubble earlier. Okay, so now we're level. Perfect. So we're gonna go back to where we were before and get that top line in line with the top of the screen. See how all the lines are straight with the screen now? That's what we're going for, and there's no keystone in place right now. So the next issue that we're going to run into, and I'm going to leave it kind of zoomed the way that it is, zoomed a little bit too far in, and we'll adjust that in a minute. See how it's tapering upwards over here on this side? I had a client earlier today that was struggling with this and didn't know how to fix it. It's actually really simple, guys. All you're gonna do is physically take the projector and move it to the right. Because you gotta think what's happening right now is it's firing left, which is what's making it skew like that. So I'm gonna get up here on the ladder again, and I'm going to slightly adjust it until it kind of looks even down there at the bottom. Like that. And then we're going to take our shift and we're going to shift it back over. And now we're starting to look super nice and square. Again, I'm leaving this zoomed in too much because I want you guys to see those lines. but you see how square it is now? This is perfect. This is what you're looking for. See this line right here? This is our line. This outer line on JVC projectors is for if you're using a DCR lens and like a Lumigen scaler, it's unused pixels. You're using this inner line here. Okay, so now we're going to zoom. And it's going to zoom right into place. Literally perfect. I'm gonna shift and I'm just gonna ever so slightly adjust it. I mean, we're talking very little bits at this point. Perfection. So don't forget, this is like the most important thing, honestly, and a lot of people do not remember to do this. Focus your projector. So rack that focus all the way left, all the way right, and you're looking for super crisp pixels here. Sorry, it's getting late here, guys, in Virginia. I've been traveling all day. The focus, you're gonna look at it, turn the lights down, and you're gonna rack that focus until it's super nice and crisp. Oh, thank you, sir. All right.
Nope. Oh, sorry about that.
And just go back and forth a couple times. It's kind of trippy. It like messes with your eyes when you're doing it, but just do it a couple times so that within one click, you're as crisp as possible. Again, this is the most important part. Well, there you go. Now let's check out our image. Beautiful. Now this is just cable, guys. You got to subscribe to the channel because after we're finished fine-tuning this system, we're gonna go through and play some demos for you guys. This is a beautiful theater and I'm really thrilled that the client invited me into his home. All right, guys, well, I hope that you enjoyed this content and it was informative in helping you set up your theater room. We're not only selling equipment, we're trying to give you guys pointers. We got a lot of guys around the country that are DIYing it, and we're also building up our preferred partner network so that if you don't want to DIY it, we have a pro for you. So like Virginia area, we are going to have a preferred partner available that can help you guys with these complex installs, or if you just don't want to mess with it. But we're here. We're providing content to help DIY. We do unboxing videos, pretty much just everything related to home theater and 2-channel. If you would like to purchase, give us a ring. We have the guaranteed lowest prices and nationwide free shipping. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.